Nakakarinig na ba kayo ng salitang nakaangat ka lang ng konti, nagbago ka na? Don't take it negative but rather positive. Kaya nga nakaangat kasi nagbago yung tao. You don't expect different results if you keep doing the same thing. Just know that change is always constant. Not all tapulan before will be tapulan forever. People change to be better for themselves. You can't judge a person who choose to step back and change because maybe they were wounded or maybe they were tired hearing the words, ang bobo mo. Dyan ka lang ba? Hindi to makakagraduate kakagala. Mabubuntis to. Or napakatamad mo. We all experience this in our life. And sometimes we need to hear those words just to hurt until it doesn't hurt anymore. Then one day you even lost yourself, especially in the process, but you tried. You tried to change the critics and judgment thrown at you. Then you change. You change for yourself because you grow and you take all that pain into strength and you no longer hold on to something that was already breaking, which is you. So yes, we change and you will love that change. We sometimes change para hindi na kami matawag na bobo, na tamad, na walang maabot sa buhay. We all know that there is time for everything, but people love rushing things. Dapat ganito ka na pag nag-edad ka ng ganito ha. Dapat kasal ka na sa ganitong edad ha. Dapat dalawa yung anak mo ha. Sometimes the most powerful therapy, it isn't advice or even sometimes giving solutions, but simply a safe place where you are understood without judgment. So before you jump to a conclusion, nakaangat lang ng konti, nagbago na. Remember that you might not have the full story of other people's struggles na tinawag mong nagbago na. Not all battles are visible. Instead of judging, try offering kindness, especially support. We all have our own struggle, and a little understanding can make a huge difference. Sometimes the strongest people you met are the ones who needs love, but will never ask for it, because they understand now how to love themselves. But this time, I choose me. This time, I choose peace, and I will keep choosing myself until I no longer have to beg to be treated right, because I've mastered how to treat myself right. Assalamu alaikum.